right, to get started on our spicy jalapeno lime guacamole, we're out at the grill. And what we're gonna do is take 4 jalapenos, and I'm just gonna set them right on the grill, just like this. And what I want is them to get a nice char on the outside, so that's gonna be somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how hot the grill is. I'm gonna leave these on, turn them once, and then we'll be right back. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna open the grill up, check on the jalapenos. As you can see, good char mark on there. All we're gonna do is just flip them, just enough. And we're gonna put them back in for a few more minutes. All right, we were 5 minutes on that side. You can see they are ready to go in. All I'm gonna do is pick them up, put them, oh, there we go, put them in my glass dish, and I'm gonna take those inside, let them cool off, and we're gonna get on to the next part. We are back from the grill, back inside. I've had my 4 jalapenos just resting for a few minutes. I've also got 1 lime and 2 ripe avocados. That's what we're gonna need for this guacamole. First, I like to just kind of roll my lime out so those juices are ready. And we are just gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna use the juice from 1 whole lime. There's half, and the other half. Now, with this recipe, just like most of my recipes, if you prefer something less spicy, more spicy, I will say this one is pretty spicy, more lime, less lime, go ahead and change it up for yourself. Next, we're gonna take our avocados, and we're just gonna split them in half. Going around that pit. There we go. Right. And we've got a spoon here. We're just gonna open them up and toss it in, just like that. Oh, this one had a big pit on it. That's a bummer. That's all right. Yeah, I'd make a big avocado tree. And we do the same thing with this one. Right in there. And our second avocado. Cut that open. Pop that in. Hey, a big pit and then a little pit. That's all right. We'll take it. Okay. Got the avocado in there. Next, I'm going to take my 4 jalapenos, and what I like to do is just cut them down there a little bit. Now, we like it spicy again, so I keep all the seeds in. So you get nice, small cuts. Come up here by the seed, and we get every last bit of that jalapeno. And I can tell by the capsaicin in the air that this is going to be quite a spicy guac. So we're going to put those in. Get all those good hot seeds in. All right. And we're just going to take our fork. Go ahead. And we're going to mash it up. Now these were 2 ripe avocados, so it shouldn't take much coaxing to get them where we want. I'm going to come on this side here. Whoop. Wonderful sound of mashing avocados. Huh. You get that lime mixed in there real well. Now we like kind of a chunky guacamole, but the chunks don't come from the actual avocado. It's actually from the jalapenos. So there is our spicy lime guacamole. I'm gonna get cleaned up here in the kitchen. I'll be back in a second to tell you what I think of it. All right, I am in the kitchen currently still because it's kind of dark out and there's not good lighting out there. So I'm just gonna stay in here and tell you what I think of this spicy jalapeno lime guacamole. One more look there. I'm gonna give it a bite. There is a kick to it. Now this is gonna go right on some of my porkless burgers, some of my bean burgers. I actually grilled some up next to the jalapenos right after we were done with them. So there is my spicy jalapeno lime guacamole. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more awesome plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I will see you guys soon.